In a picturesque coastal town in Greece, a humble restaurant owner named Nikos built his business from scratch. Nikos was famous for his delicious Greek dishes, especially his family recipe moussaka, which had locals and tourists alike flocking to his restaurant. However, as the restaurant's popularity grew, so did the competition. Other restaurants tried to replicate his dishes, but none could match the taste and unique atmosphere of Nikos's place. One summer, a scandal rocked the town. Rumors spread that Nikos was using a secret ingredient in his dishes, and some even suspected it might be illegal. Journalists from the local paper started investigating, and rival restaurant owners fanned the flames, eager to see Nikos's success brought down. Nikos, however, remained silent, letting the rumors swirl without any response. The truth came out in a dramatic twist when a rival owner leaked an anonymous tip. Nikos had been sourcing ingredients from a black market supplier. This revelation brought in health inspectors and caused Nikos's restaurant to face potential shutdown. At a press conference held outside his restaurant, Nikos disclosed that the secret ingredient wasn't exotic or forbidden. It was love and time. He explained that his family recipes required careful, slow preparation, often over several hours. Rather than buying pre-made sauces or mixes, he insisted on making everything fresh, sometimes even using ingredients grown in his garden. He was unapologetic, claiming that his attention to quality was more important than any competition or trend. This heartfelt explanation struck a chord with the townsfolk. Nikos's story spread across social media, drawing in new visitors who appreciated his authentic approach. The lesson became clear. In a world of shortcuts and instant gratification, quality and integrity stand out. Nikos's commitment to authenticity and slow preparation reminded everyone of the power of genuine effort, a valuable lesson in today's fast-paced society. The story concludes with the restaurant's triumphant return and a packed house every night, as Nikos's hard-earned reputation continued to grow, this time with the support of the entire community.